Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to present a translation video from Arabic to English. Let's start. Al-Ummul Hanun. Ummul Hanun, kind mother. ذات مساء, in an evening, جاءت مسكينة, a poor woman came إلى أم المؤمنين عائشة رضي الله عنها, to Umm al-Mu'minin, mother of believers, Aisha radiallahu anha. A poor woman came to Aisha radiallahu anha. وَمَعَهَا, with her there were ibnatani, two daughters. وَمَعَهَا, there were with her two daughters. There were two daughters with her. فَأَعْطَتْ عَائِشَةُ radiallahu anha ثَلَاثَةَ امْرَاتٍ. فَأَعْطَتْ, then she gave, who Aisha radiallahu anha gave, ثَلَاثَةَ امْرَاتٍ, 3 dates. وَزَعَتِ الْأُمُّ, the mother, distributed لِكُلِّ وَاحِدَةٍ مِّنْ ابْنَتَيْهَا, to every one of her daughters, tamratan, a date. وَزَعَتِ الْأُمُّ, the mother, distributed لِكُلِّ وَاحِدَةٍ مِّنْ ابْنَتَيْهَا, to every one of her two daughters, tamratan, a date. أخذت الأم التمرة الباقية لتأكلها. أخذت الأم, the mother took التمرة الباقية, the remaining date, لتأكلها, to eat, for her to eat. فبكت ابنتها, then her two daughters cried, لِتِلْكَ التَّمْرَةِ, فبكت ابنتها, then her two daughters cried, لِتِلْكَ التَّمْرَةِ, for that date. Umma, tamra is the way of crying. Umma, tamra. فَقَسَمَتِ الْأُمُّ, then the mother divided tamrata, the dates, bainahuma, between them. وَلَمْ تَأْكُلْ, she did not eat. Minha, from that date, shay'an, anything. وَلَمْ تَأْكُلْ مِنْهَا شَيْئًا, she did not eat from that date anything. أخبرت عائشة رضي الله عنها, Aisha radiallahu anha informed about this an-Nabiyya sallallahu alayhi wasallam, to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and hadhihi al-miskina, about this poor woman and what happened at that time. فقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم, then Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Inna Allah awjaba laha bihal jannah. Inna Allah, indeed Allahu, Aujabalaha has made compulsory biha with this act al Jannah, the heaven. She will get heaven because of this act. That is what Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said. Now I have given the word meaning here. You can learn Arabic into English. Please subscribe and share this. I think this will be useful to everyone. Thank you very much.